With the spring thaw, I set out once more along the mountain path, holding Chūbei's mailbag, unraveling frozen memories. Guided by villagers' rumors, I search for the source of the nightly whispers and arrive at an ancient shrine. Led by an elderly monk I met at the shrine, I learn a ritual to offer words of gratitude on the winter mountaintop where Chūbei's spirit lingers. On a full moon night when blizzard winds engulf the mountain again, I converse with Chūbei's apparition and feel the boundlessness of the human spirit. At the riverbank, I hold a fallen leaf aloft, overlaying it with the memory of that long-ago smile, and revive my fading wonder. As I decipher Chūbei's diary left in my notes, I realize his selfless actions connect to all living beings. In the new verses I weave at the mountain hut, I inscribe words that serve as keys to opening the mind's eye, igniting light in readers' souls. Back in the distant city, I hold a reading event based on Chūbei's miracle, questioning bonds and spiritual dignity and evoking empathy. Determined to return to the snow-capped peaks, I embark on a journey to seek the hopeful smile dwelling within frozen despair. Finally, as I gaze at the sunrise atop the peak, I sense a silent vow binding Chūbei and me and begin to spin a new tale.